What if I told you that you can own a verified and well-registered 630 square meter plot of land in one of Enugu's fastest growing locations for just 25 million naira? Not somewhere difficult to access. Now I am currently standing at Umuchigbo, one of the areas experiencing rapid residential and commercial growth right now. And as you know, location determines the future value of any property. And this land right here checks all the boxes. So this land is less than 3 minutes away from the Nike Resort and less than 1 minute away from the Umuchigbo Smart School. It is also very close to the major road and easily accessible. It has a deed of assignment, registered survey, and a power of attorney. Now you can build your dream home on this land. You can build luxury apartments, rental units, that is blocks of flats, shortlet apartments, or you can simply hold it as an investment. Now this is a buy and build plot of land. You can start building immediately, or you can start building in the next 1 to 2 years. Okay, this land gives you enough flexibility to build what you want. Now, people naturally want to live where transportation is easy, schools are nearby, and major landmarks are within a few minutes. That's exactly what makes this location attractive. As development continues around Umuchigbo, around this neighborhood, properties close to major roads like this become very, very valuable. Now, this property is ideal if you're looking to build your personal residence, like I said, if you're looking for a long-term investment, that is by renting out apartments, building blocks of flats. If you're living outside Nigeria and you've been searching for genuine property in Enugu that you want to invest in, if you're looking for a land in a strategic location with strong growth potential, so if you like to come for an inspection, if you like to inspect this property, or if you're looking for more information about the title documents, the pricing or payment process, you can go ahead and call me or WhatsApp me on the number that is displayed on your screen. I will be happy to guide you through the entire purchase process from inspection to documentation. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your loved ones who are looking to invest in Enugu, or who is looking to build blocks of flats so that they can be able to rent it out right here in Enugu. As always, I am Victoria Chimzurum, and I will see you in my next property tour. Happy investing and have an amazing day.